Wow, now you can earn up to $640 per day just by opening emails. This can be a once in a life opportunity to start working with this. I will show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the easiest ways to make money online. But wait, how can you do it? I will show you how you can earn from this. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and then you can start making money just by opening emails and reading what is inside them. So make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your PC to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to the channel where we teach you how to make money from home. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to the channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our future videos. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of the video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income on this website. So make sure to watch the video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need because I have left all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links from the description. You can come to this website through Google as well. On Google, you need to search for Volutic. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. You need to click on the first one here. It will open you this website. As you can see here, it says earn money by reading emails. So this is a website that will pay you just to read emails. When you scroll down, you can see this here. It says earn money by reading emails wherever you are. With Volutic, you can earn money by reading emails wherever you are, from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. So this is a 100% free and worldwide available method. You can earn from this on your smartphone or on your PC. Now, when you scroll down again, you will see this paragraph. Here they say, we pay you for every email you read and instantly. So you don't need to wait. They will cash out your earnings immediately as long as you request a minimum of only 20 cents. Also, this website offers a very nice referral program, so you can also take that. They have 6 referral commission levels. On the first level, you earn 50%, and on the highest one, you earn 100%, which you can't find anywhere else on the internet. Also, they will pay you $1 for every referral who earns $1. Then you can see numbers and their earnings right here. You can see here that this website has over 10,000 members registered. So there are no earning limits on this website. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and start making money online, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching until the end of the video. Now let's make some money. Before you do anything with this website, which will be to earn money by just reading emails, you need to have an email account first. Although you have an email account already, I would really recommend to make a new one because you will use it to just work with this. You probably don't want your personal email to receive a notification every minute. You really have a lot of choices here. You can create your email account on Gmail, Yahoo, or any other service that you prefer. I would recommend you to go with Gmail. You can create a Gmail account just by going to Google. In the search bar, you need to search for Gmail. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. Here you can choose this one. Then it will take you to this page where you need to click on this button that says create an account. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill out this part. Here you need to enter your first and last name, your username, and then create your own password. Click on next. And the next step is to put your phone number right here and your recovery email address. Well, these two things are optional. Then you need to enter your date of birth. After that, you can click on next. After that, it will then take you to the next page where you need to accept their terms and conditions. And voila, you have successfully created your new email account. Now we can head back to this website. Now you need to create your account on this website. You can do it simply by clicking here. You will be redirected to this page where you need to put all the information here in order to make your new account on this website. Username, email address, put your password, confirm your password. So here you can put anything if you want. Then you need to check these two boxes, but make sure to leave this one unchecked because you don't want to receive spam emails from the website every time. The last step is to click here. Then you will receive an activation email. You will need to enter that email and you need to click on the activation link from the email. When you click on it, your account will be activated. So after creating your account, this website will start sending emails to you every day. You will just need to open those emails and read them and you'll be paid. Now, here are my bonus tips that you need, so make sure to follow. The first thing is that your emails will be here every day, but you can easily miss them and miss the opportunity to make money online. Some of the emails can go to the spam folder of your email, so make sure to always check your spam folder. But you can make sure that these emails never end up in the spam folder. You can click on the star of these emails so they become your favorites in your email service. So that's how you can maximize your results and earn money just by opening emails. And that's it for today's video. Here you can see my other videos that you can watch if you want. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.